Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows resource protection could not start the repair service. When you run SFC Scannow and get the error Windows resource protection could not start the repair service, it means the system file checker cannot communicate with its underlying engine, the Windows Modular Installer service. If this service is disabled or locked or failing a respond, Windows cannot inspect or repair its own system files. Here is the step-by-step guide how to fix that one. First, you need to force start the Windows modules installer via services. So first you need to right click on the start menu, then go to run option. In here you need to type services.msc like this, tap on OK. Scroll down through the alphabetical list and locate Windows modules installer. Scroll down. Okay, in here you can see Windows module installer. In here, right click on it, go to properties. Okay, in the startup type you should set as a manual, as this set it like this. Do not change it to automatic or disable. You should set it as a manual and tap on OK. And under the services status it is stopped, so you need to start it by just tap on start option. Then after you can tap on OK. Once you're done with that, you need to click and apply OK, and then again you need to go to search bar, type cmd, run as administrator. Then you need to again type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. Then it will be worked. And if it is not working, you need to go to the second method, that is force start the services via command prompt. So first you need to open command prompt as administrator like this. Then after you need to type sc space config space bits space start equal demand and hit enter. Once it is finished, you need to type net space start space bits. Now type your file repair check script and see if launched properly. That is actually sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. If that also not working, you need to run the DISM tool first. So to do that, you need to open command prompt as usual. Then after you need to type DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and hit enter. Let the tool complete its process up to 100%. Once it is finished, again you need to restart your computer. Once it is restarted, you need to again type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. And the final method is you need to repair the Windows module installer file register key. To do that, and actually this is very careful because you are editing the Windows registry, small mistake can cause your computer crash, so please be aware about that. To do that, you need to right click on the start menu, go to run, type regedit to open registry editor and hit enter. Okay, you need to go to this path, H key local machine, double tap on it, go to system, then go to current control set, then services, then TrustedInstaller. Scroll down. Okay, in T section, yeah, it is here. Double tap on it. Click on the TrustedInstaller folder on the left panel in here. Then you can look at the right side window. Locate the item named image path. It is here. Its data value column should read exactly % icon system root servicing TrustedInstaller.exe. If the path is blank or it has some different path, you need to make sure it is system root servicing TrustedInstaller.exe. You need to manually type that down also, and you need to restart your computer. These fixes will be fix your issue.